here live, June 9th, 2018. Blue Highway, Mike Benz and the band. Oh, I love this. Check out our first time out here at Range in Richfield. Cars, bullets, people, pink heels. Smoke 225 is here. Hey, Batman, say hi. Batman. Well, there goes Batman.
His ears are big, but they don't hear me.
Yeah, really. Hey, Dwayne, say hi for everybody. Hey, Donald.
Dancing with the chicken slacks. She's moving up and back. Oh, man, there ain't nothing like that.
Look at that, sandwich between the two whites. You gotta love the red. In fact, you gotta love all these cars. We got Dan Neve here today. Look at that bullet. This is the man. If you've never been a part of this, folks, it's the most incredible weekend in October. First weekend in October every year. Be a part of it.